opportunity to conduct the assembly, and our topic is friendship. Prayer is the only way to connect with God. So without any hesitation, let us proceed to the prayer.
I request all the sisters, teachers, and
O God, Almighty Father, you are the source of all knowledge. I stand before you to thank and praise you. I know that you love me, you guide me, guide us from hatred, despair, and depression. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace. Holy Book reading. Holy Book reading. Where there is the great love, there are always miracles. Thank you.
comfort or reach out a helping hand. So when you ask God for a gift, be thankful if He sent not diamond, pearls or riches, but the love of real true friends. Thank you.
दोस्ती एक ऐसा साथ जो किसी बंधन का नहीं है, मोहताज हर दायरे से बाहर, जाति, धर्म, देश, संस्कृति, इसे किसी बात का नहीं है सरोकार, मुश्किल में साथ, गम में राहत, बस अपनेपन का जज्बात, ये दोस्ती एक ऐसा साथ. And now I call upon Pravi and Kuhu to tell the A to Z of friendship.
A to Z of friendship. A. Always be honesty. B. Be there when need you. C. Cheer them on. D. Don't look for their floods. E. Ever change you get call. F. Forgive them. G. Get together often. H. Have fit and them. I. Includes them. J. Just listen. K. Know your dreams. L. Love and unconditionally. M. Make them feel special and never forget them. O. Often to help. P. Patience the honesty. Q. Correlate the diseases. R. Reduce them often. S. Say you're sorry. T. Talk continuity. U. Use good jealousy meant. V. Vote for them. W. Wish them good luck. X. X-ray yourself first. Y. Your words count. Z. Zip your mouth when necessary. Thank you.
Evil truth over falsehood and rightness over injustice. The Shara teaches the importance of unity and cooperation in achieving goals. It's time for new beginnings when many people start new businesses and ventures. It's time for family gatherings and celebrations. The Shara unites people from all religions who witness the burning of Ravan. On behalf of the whole Sarvite family, we wish you all happy Dashera. दशहरा अश्विन मास की शुक्ल पक्ष की दशमी को मनाया जाता है. यह त्योहार असत्य पर सत्य की विजय का प्रतीक है, इसलिए इस दशमी को विजयदशमी भी कहा जाता है. यह पर्व शक्ति पूजा का भी पर्व है. इस पर्व की सबसे बड़ी सीख है कि बुराई कितनी भी बड़ी क्यों ना हो, जीत हमेशा अच्छाई की ही होती है. थैंक यू.
I am Arohi Agrawal and I am Unnati Chauhan from class 6 Explorers.
Today we get the opportunity to conduct this assembly and our topic is
The importance of adaptability.
Prayer is the best way to connect with God.
Charities.
Let's listen a beautiful thought.
Good morning. Adaptability is not imitation, it means power of resistance and assimilation. I repeat my thought. Adaptability is not imitation, it means power of resistance and assimilation. Thank you.
Let's update ourselves with the news headlines.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Rudransh Mishra, and I am Risham Manjul, and we are today's news reporters. National news. Indian athlete Sukan Singh completes world's toughest ultra marathon. State news. Madhya Pradesh cabinet gives note to ₹100 crores memorial for Rani Durgavati in Jabalpur. Local news. Local hero Ravichandran Ashwin receives standing applause from Chennai crowd after getting out for 130. Sports news. India topped the medal tally in shooting at Junior World Championship in Lima. Thank you.
Conversation between Pranav and Vinayak.
Hello Pranav, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
माइक के सामने से बोलो बेटा.
I am good enough. What about you? Our topic is the importance of adaptability. Can you tell me why adaptability is important?
Yes, I tell. The more adaptable you will, more productive you will overall. The time you have spent on stress, the new challenge present itself. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Vanya and Kunjan to tell benefits of adaptability.
Benefits of adaptability. First, being a more valuable employee. Second, being a better leader. Third, feeling happier.
Fourth, finding it easier for you to adopt to career changes. Fifth, being more relevant.
Thank you and have a nice day.
I would like to call Parth and Aradhya.
How to become more adaptable? First, get out of your comfort zone. Second, improve your active listening skills. Third, ask questions. Fourth, be willing to make mistakes and learn new things from them.
Fifth, find the positive. Sixth, learn from your co-workers. Seventh, find balance in your life. Eighth, learn emotional intelligence. Thank you and have a nice day.
And all present here. I, Giriraj Chabra from class 6 will conduct today's assembly. And our topic for today is self-discipline is the best discipline. A day without prayer is a day without blessing. So I request all of you to. Now my friend Harshit will present today's speech.
Speech. Discipline is the quality of being able to behave and work in a controlled way, which involves obeying particular rules or standards. Here are some ways to maintain discipline. First, develop habits and routines to create a structure for your day. Second, respond in the same way to similar situations and behaviors. Third, set clear goals and push yourselves to achieve them. Fourth, encourage want behavior by praising it. Fifth, teach positive behavior, what to do and what not to do. Thank you.
Let us all get updated with the news today. Now my friends Sanidhya, Adif and Tejas will present the latest news.
तुम पीछे हो जाओ.
Good morning. Good morning. Today's headlines. First, IF looking at 12 early warning aircraft under 2 different programs. Second, denied permission for Jantar Mantar. Sonam Wangchuk
माइक के सामने.
seeks alternative for fast. Third, Maldives President Muizzu to meet Modi requests India to support over looming debt crisis. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, sports news. Kho-Kho World Cup 2025, the first edition of Kho-Kho held in India. Second, Africa-led SSA 20 most expensive player Reza Hendricks. Thank you. Have a nice.
Good morning, state news. First, Madhya Pradesh CM Mohan Yadav distributes welfare aid on Rani Durgavati 500th birth anniversary. Second, Madhya Pradesh cabinet gives a nod to rupees 100 crore memorial for Rani Durgavati in Jabalpur. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today is the 8th of October and is also known as Indian Air Force Day, and a day to celebrate the establishment of the Indian Air Force in 1932. A day to acknowledge the bravery and sacrifice of the Indian Air Force personnel safeguarding our nation. Before we conclude, I would like to emphasize that self-discipline should become our habit, because habit never goes away. It remains. Even if H goes away, a bit remains. Even if A goes away, bit remains. Even if B goes away, it remains. So self-discipline should become our habit.
6 challengers are going to conduct the morning assembly, and our topic is social sciences as the study of human nature. Speech. Holy book reading. Holy book reading. He is the source of light in all luminous objects. He is knowledge. He is the goal of knowledge. He is situated in everyone's heart. Prayer. Thought of the day. Don't dissipate your powers, strive to concentrate them. I repeat my thought. Don't dissipate your powers, strive to concentrate them. Thank you. My friend Anika is here to give a speech on today's assembly topic.
Speech. Social science is fundamentally the study of human nature and our interactions within society. It explores how people think, feel, and behave in various contexts, including family, community, and government. These fields encompasses subjects like history, geography, political science, and economics, each contributing to our understanding of human relationships and societal structures. By studying social science, students learn about their rights and responsibilities, cultural diversity, and how to make informed decisions as active citizens in a democracy.
Let us listen some vocabulary words to improve our knowledge.
Good morning. Vocabulary words. Fragile, delicate. Inspiration, a noble example. Fascinated, extremely interested. Aeronautical, the study of travel. Thank you.
Let us update ourselves with today's news headline. Good morning. We are today's news reporter. My name is Rashmi Gaur.
I am Aradhya Thakur. International news. First, North Korea and China mark their 75th anniversary of ties as outside questions their ties. Second, US arranged fight to bring American citizens out of crisis hit Lebanon.
National news. First, Niti Aayog launches Women's Internship Platform in Telangana. Second, Maharashtra declares indigenous cows as Rajmata Gomata. Thank you.
10th D.
Wrong answer. May I ask the next question? In which notice board you have find Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan image inside in the book?
9th.
Congratulates. So let all of you clap for her. So this time we are giving some kind of a star badge to them, to the winner, and winner is Red House Jia Basedia.
Yellow, yellow like the sun. Yellow, yellow everyone. See it here, see it there. Yellow, yellow everywhere. Thank you. Blessing for the Lord. I am blessing for the Lord every day. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. I am blessing for the Lord every day. I am singing for the Lord. I am singing for the Lord. I am singing for the Lord. Yesterday, today, I am singing for the Lord. Every day, I am dancing for the Lord. I am dancing for the Lord. I am dancing for the Lord. I am dancing for the Lord every day. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. I am for the Lord every day. Two silly goats. Two goats were trying to cross a river. They both met in the middle. The bridge was so narrow. They could not pass each other. Now each of them wanted to be puzzled. The river soon to fight. The silly goats Chhatrapati silly goats met on the river and was
Priyam, bolo.
always punished.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is a pencil. This is a pen. This is a sharpener. This is a scale. This is a compass.
Thank you.
It's celebrated all over the India on this day. Rajama killed Ravan. Rashati Mayadishtam Veena Pustakdani Hanshvai Shamayukta Vidyadan Karomayam Pratham Bharatiya Nama Dutiya Cha Saraswati Tritiya Sharda Devi Chaturte Hanshvayini Shamayukta पंचमे लोक विज्ञाता अष्टमे गागेश्वरी सप्तमे कुमारी प्रोक्तम अष्टमे वरदायिनी नवमे बुद्धिदात्री एकादशे चंद्रघंटा द्वादश भुवनेश्वरी सरस्वती द्वादश नाम पढ़े नड़ा जब हम बसते नित्यम सरस्वती सरस्वती माँ की जय. Morning, teacher and teacher. आज दशहरे की घड़ी आई, दूध पे सच्ची जीत आई. रामचंद्र ने रावण मारा, तो अभिमान तोड़ा. ओ एक बुराई जोर मिटाओ, एक बुराई जोर मिटाओ. ओ दशहरा जोर मनाओ, ओ Thank you. Morning, sister and teachers. आपको देखने को मिलेंगे यहाँ पे दुर्गा जी के नाम. श्रम मांगल मांगले शिवे शिवाय साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्ते नमस्ते. Dussehra is a famous Hindu festival. It is. Dussehra is a famous Hindu
and formed by the whole universe. May we experience a world guided by your values of justice, fraternity, equality, freedom, peace, hope, and love. May your will be the motive force of all our dreams and actions. Give us our daily food for body, mind, and soul. Strengthen us to forget and forgive without counting the cost. Forgive us our offenses as we forgive those who offended us in the past. Bless all those who offend us now with your peace. Strengthen us always to stand for truth with hope, without fear, and walk in the path of light with hope, trust, optimism, and creativity. Protect us from all evil forces and liberate us from hatred, despair, and depression. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Peace, peace, peace.
Peace, peace, peace.